Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the Keurig K-Mini Plus. So the Keurig K-Mini Plus is a really nice coffee maker. It's got the single needle and the single needle down here that's going to pierce the top and bottom of the K-Cup. Around back we got the water reservoir. It is removable and it does have these markings on the side because it's going to, whatever amount of water you put back here, it's going to brew each time. So you do have to manually put the water in each time you want to brew. It's got 100% cord storage. You can store the cord 100%, put it back here, and then the plug fits right there. So this thing is really portable. It also comes with this pod storage. You can put K-Cups in here. So you can fit K-Cups in here and then slide this in. And now it's really nice and portable. You've got your K-Cups and your Keurig machine all in one. Okay, so let's brew a coffee. You got to put your water in that you're going to brew each time. I like to put mine on 8 ounces. Close the lid. Let's put the K-Cup in. When you close the lid, it's going to pierce the top and the bottom at the same time. And you simply just, it does have a strong brew. So if you want to do a strong bold or a bold brew, you would press this, it lights up, and then just press the big K button. It's going to draw the water down into a tank. It's going to heat it up. It's going to wait after it heats it up, then it's going to shoot it through the K-Cup. And that takes about 1.5 minutes, almost 2 minutes to heat the water up. This will brew any standard K-Cup. They don't have to be made by Keurig. So when you press this button, it draws down whatever amount of water is back here. That's how you determine your brew size, is by how much water you put in the machine. When you press the button, it's going to draw down all that water in that tank. Okay. So it's heated the water up. That took about 1 minute. And now it's going to brew the hot water through the K-Cup. I recently took this on vacation. This is a really nice Keurig to take on vacation with you. It's a relatively quiet coffee maker. I love that they come in several different colors. And the water coming out is about 192. Okay, so here I've got my 8-ounce cup of coffee. It tastes really good and it's a really hot cup of coffee. Cleanup is very simple. You just open the lid, be careful, these can be hot. You're just gonna lift that out. See how it pierced the bottom and the top. So if you're looking for something with a small footprint or to take on vacation, this is a really nice Keurig. Thanks everybody for watching.
It's got the brew button, the power button, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, or 12 ounce. These don't look like they're buttons. It's just probably an indicator light to tell you to just scale it or to add water. And then you can see this is the needle that punches the K-Cup. And then there's another one down here in the bottom, down there. Filtered water. Do not use distilled water. No to distilled. That just slides on like that. It goes into place, just like any other Keurig. Press it down, and I'm going to say 8 ounce, and then I'm going to hit the brew button. Okay, it's straight up on the second hand, so let's just see how long it takes. Okay, and that cup is coming out. It's like almost 100, it's 178, it looks like 178 degrees, which is nice because that's the second cup. Okay, is there much water left in the reservoir? Yeah.